Everybody, I'm Kirsten McGoey from Trinity Design in Whitby, Ontario, and this is our second lesson on the things that you should explore in Photoshop when you are a new user. So what we're going to go through today is the concept of layers. So I'm actually going to open up Photoshop, and we are going to open up from our example folder an image. So this is the image we used before. Let me just get that example folder open. We're going to scroll down and we're going to find the image. We're going to use the JPEG version of the little boy holding the grow tape. And what you will see right now is what I will call our background layer. And we can get to that layer panel by going and clicking on Window and going to Layers. We can use the shortcut F7. I also have a layer flyout here, which shows me my layer. And right now, the layer that you're seeing here on the screen is the background layer. And the first thing that I do when I'm editing, in order to retain all of the pixels that are in this original image, is I'm going to make a duplicate layer. I'm going to copy all the information onto there, and you see it's named background copy. Now you can rename this by clicking on it and calling it layer 1. And that'll help you differentiate if you have like a whole series of layers going on. And what this allows you to do, so you have your original, like let's call this your original art. This is kind of like a layer of acetate that goes right over top, and anything that you do to this image is only going to happen to this layer. So let's just go over here, and we've got our Trinity Design purple. We're just going to draw a circle around our image, and then I'm going to go like this. This is not a creative exercise. This is just to show you how a layer works. So if I click that little eye beside the layer, it takes away everything. So you can see it basically works to hide anything that I've done on there. I can do this with a clear layer as well. So let's get rid of that layer. If you go down here, you can create a new layer. And if I go and I draw all over top of here, and then I erase, you can see it's like a clear layer of acetate right over top if I've got a blank layer like this. And in this case, I have a layer where I'm only making adjustments to the duplicate layer. So that's how a layer works. And we're going to talk next in our next lesson about how to use layers in order to make changes to the images and still retain the best quality of image. But I just wanted to go through that basic concept of layers. So if you want to get to your layers, you can, third way is to come here and make a new layer from the background. There's lots of options, but just in simple terms, we're going to open up our layers. We can make a layer by right-clicking and duplicating the layer from the background, and anything that we do on that layer is only going to be on that layer and not on our original, and so we can make some changes to that and then blend the two together to get our final image. So that is our lesson on layers. Thank you for joining us. We hope that you will continue to capture the experience, and you can follow us at www.trinitydesign.ca, or you can email me at trinitydesignKM@gmail.com. Thank you, and capture the experience.